So click that link. You'll thrown in with the white PVC bag. It just real attention to your detail. Always choose quantity. Ooh. Hello and welcome to the Luxury Hybrid channel. Today I'm really excited about the topic because I am collaborating with two other ladies, Bipolar Max and Marvellous Style. We're going to compile a series of how to style your non-leather handbags. I will put a link down below to the other ladies' channel so that you can see their how to style video. The handbag that I'll be using today is the much sought after and possibly some consider the most overrated trendy bag, and that is the PVC, what looks like the Chanel reissue flat bag. So I'm going to be showing you some inserts of pictures and some clips on how you can put these bags together and incorporate them into your wardrobe. And it's, you know, it's really funny how our handbag community is on the fence. We're kind of divided. Some of us think that these bags are terrible and how could we even possibly put them into our luxurious handbag collection, and the other half thinks of it as just a fun trend, and that's exactly the category that I fall into. I definitely see this as a fun trend, and I've been using these bags like crazy and experimenting with different outfits. Key elements to incorporating this bag into your outfit or your wardrobe are your accessories. One of the many examples that I can show you are a great pair of pumps, some trendy sunnies, and a good belt. Now, keep in mind, I understand that these are all designer pieces, but they don't actually have to be designer. If you pay attention to detail and the way things are made, make sure that the hardware is not bubbly, you can use a belt like, for example, this is a belt that I picked up from Banana Republic. It's 100% leather and it's got great shiny hardware. This one I wanted in silver because sometimes I like to match the hardware on my belt to the hardware on my bags. Another example of a low-cost belt is this belt that I picked up from H&M. It's got gold hardware, but it doesn't flash off like I'm a cheap belt. No, it actually has very nice detailing. And it looks beautiful on a pair of jeans or slacks. Another example are these sunnies that I picked up for, I believe it was $100. So you can actually find sunnies like this, very similar on Instagram for even less, for $50. If you go to Marshalls or TJ Maxx, there are tons of selections that you can choose from, and they don't always have to be designer. It's just how you pair your pieces together. A great way to pair this PVC bag is a slogan t-shirt, for example. You can either pair it with a denim skirt, denim shorts, denim jeans, whatever is your style, and a nice pair of trainers. In my personal opinion, I think that you can find great pairs of trainers on the high street that have a really elevated look to them. So don't be intimidated by a designer trainer. You can always find something from websites like Pretty Little Things, ASOS, even Fabletics has a great line of trainers. I also think if you put together a solid color in a trainer, it gives a nice muted, toned down, yet elevated look to your outfit. And of course, matching all of these things with the accessories that I've showed you, a great belt, a nice pair of sunnies, and whatever your style is, maybe even a great wristwatch. You can pull the look together and look fabulous with this bag. It's unlikely that someone's going to walk up to you with a magnifying glass to inspect your bag. They're just gonna look at you and think that you look great. If you're new to my channel, I welcome you to subscribe because I do weekly fashion, beauty, and lifestyle videos. With a little smoke and mirrors, we can really bring this look up a notch. So let's take away the t-shirt and let's take away the trainers. Keep the belt, keep the denim, but now add a nice button-down shirt, a nice pair of pumps, and you've changed the whole dynamic of your outfit with just two minor adjustments. In this picture, I'm sure you can see how this handbag would add the perfect finishing touch. Here's another outfit with the same concept, just a different color scheme. So for example, I've switched out the black pumps for a nude pair of pumps. I've kept the belt and the denim, and I've changed the solid white into a striped button-down shirt. Using the sunnies that I mentioned that weren't that expensive, I mean, the look really pulls it all together. I'd also like to emphasize that a change in color scheme can do wonders to an outfit. I'm going to show you a picture of denim jeans, except that they're white, and a V-neck t-shirt in a darker color. the contrast with the white and the white PVC bag. I paired it off with a pair of neutral Gladiator, I think they're Gladiator, but they have like a nice little wedge heel to it, and I turned the Hermès belt inside out so that the belt was cohesive with the shoes. In this next outfit, I've gone back to a slogan t-shirt that I picked up from Zara, and I really love the title on the shirt. It says, "Follow the unknown." How perfect is that? Especially for anyone who's anti-slogan. Now with my favorite check trousers that I picked up from Zara that has the red stripe piping going down the side, what an amazing detailing on those pants. And I decided to use that accent color as the focal point for the outfit. So I paired it with the Forever 21 Red Mules. Once again, a really good belt with great hardware just to add a little more detail. So now keeping in mind, because I used red as the focal point, the bag is just there as supplemental accessorizing. So it's easy to see that when you have great accessories, a great outfit, the bag tends to just blend in and it doesn't stick out like a sore thumb as a lot of people might think that it would. On this last outfit, I wore a pair of trousers that I picked up from Zara maybe 2 years ago. They're in a beautiful slate blue color. I paired it off with this gorgeous cotton poplin top that I picked up from Banana Republic last year. I love the bell sleeve, and I finished it off with a pair of Gucci espadrilles. Thrown in with the white PVC bag, it really made the outfit come alive. It was a lot of fun to put colorful SLGs into that bag just to give it that little pop. Keep in mind that the accessories will blend together and allow the bag to be more cohesive with your outfit. Another thing, I just want to stress one more time, you do not have to break your bank on the accessories. It's not necessary. Kenneth Cole sells great pairs of shoes. Steve Madden, they make really great shoes. You can find amazing belts there. I am a big advocate for Marshalls, Nordstrom Rack, and TJ Maxx for finding accessories as well. Even their denim is not so bad. So keep your eyes open, pay attention to your detail, always choose quality over quantity. It's just the way you put everything together. Put it together right and you're in the luxury hybrid club. Thank you so much for watching today's video. You can share me on your social media, or I invite you to join me on my other social media. That's Instagram, Snapchat, and Twitter, and now I'm including Facebook into the mix. You can find the link on my homepage. Remember to smile always, and I will see you in the next video.